Hello viewers, hope you all are doing well. So what today's topic is, what is YouTube demonetization? So let's get started. Getting demonetization on YouTube means your channel can no longer earn advertisement revenue on the platform. No more ads, no more money. Demonetization can happen for a variety of reasons outlined in YouTube community guidelines. Spam and deactive practices, fake engagement, impression, link in content, spam and scams, sensitive content, child safety, nudity and sexual content, suicide and self-injury and sensitive thumbnails, violent and dangerous content, harassment and cyberbullying, harmful or dangerous content, hate speech, violent criminal organization, violent or graphic content. For the average content creator, these violations sound easy enough to avoid, but often getting demonetization is the direct result of update to the algorithm. Hope that you all will clearly understand about YouTube demonetization. So like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.